Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a bad golf swing. First, let's analyze your current swing. Recording yourself from both face-on and down-the-line perspectives is crucial. Use slow-motion playback to pinpoint specific issues, such as an outside-in club path or an improper wrist hinge. Pay close attention to your grip, ensuring it's neutral, and check your stance for proper alignment and balance. This initial assessment forms the foundation for improvement. Once you've identified issues, focus on the fundamentals. A neutral grip is vital. Your hands should work as a single unit, not independently. For your stance, ensure your weight is evenly distributed, about 50% on each foot, and maintain a slight knee flex. Proper alignment means your feet, hips, and shoulders are parallel to your target line, not aimed directly at it. These adjustments provide a solid foundation for a consistent swing. Now let's refine your backswing. Start by moving your shoulders and arms together, creating a one-piece takeaway. This helps maintain a wide arc and prevents the club from getting too far inside too quickly. Avoid collapsing your lead arm. Keep it relatively straight. At the top, aim for a full shoulder turn, approximately 90 degrees with a proper wrist hinge, ensuring the club is on plane. This sets you up for a powerful downswing. For the downswing, initiate the movement with your lower body, shifting your weight towards the target. This creates lag and allows for a powerful release of the club through impact. Extend fully through the ball, finishing in a balanced position with your weight on your lead foot and your belt buckle facing the target. Remember, consistency comes from repetition and mindful practice. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvement in your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.